Okay, this is my 2009 Colony Endeavor bike check. I have Alex rims. They're triple-walled, as most people know. I have the Maxxis M-Tread tires, Redline seat post, got Colony BMX seat, Welgo pedals, profile cranks, Colony sprocket, which I'm going to upgrade to this Sprocky Balboa from Animal. Then, yeah, Colony Endeavor frame, obviously that's why I called it Colony Endeavor. Colony Endeavor forks and bars. We the People grips and bar ends. Tech 77 brake handle, brake lines, brake pads, and my McNeil stem. And again with the Maxxis and Alex. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my bike, because I know I do. Because it's the best bike except for the pedals, because they suck. I'm changing those for McNeil too. You know, like my stem is over there.